Evening traders, I'm back again with another video. This is Tuesday's trade recap on the NAS 100. I'll be going with you all through the price action and the one trade I took today on gold buys. So today I decided to trade back to actually start trading again on my funded account after back testing for quite a while. And to be honest, today was a very good session for me, like a very good one, mostly because my analysis was right. Again, my entry was okay, no losing day. I got break even on this trade. Surely if I entered earlier on, I would have been out and done TP hit on the trade, but you can't always get what you want, even though you're right. So starting off in the higher time frame, I always start on the 1 hour. As you can see, after yesterday's trade Monday, I did take a trade, but it was part of back testing and it wasn't the best setup to take when I funded, so I set that one out. And today price has been dumping, breaking lower lows, higher lows, breaking higher lows, so price was bearish today. But what allowed me to look for buys that coming into New York Open, as you can see on the 4 hour, we are still bullish in essence. Price is still super bullish. So on a 1 hour it might look bearish, but on the 4 hour it's like a pullback, right? So on the 1 hour I noticed a order block on our left here, so I drew it out, and I'd already marked out my CRT high and low, so I waited for price to tap us in, sweep liquidity, and also we formed a CRT on both ES. As you can see, this it's still holding, so we formed a SMT and price still is holding this order block as well. So we formed the SMT and liquidity was swept. So right there and there I knew that price was gonna go in the opposite direction, right? But even though we saw an SMT, even though we saw an SMT, right, we just don't enter. So after price swept our CR low, I waited for price to close right inside. As you can see, let me just go back. I don't know why I went back in there. As you can see from here, this was our candle range. Price swept liquidity, closed back inside, and then I entered off the third candle. This is a perfect power of 3 entry on the over CRT. Price gives us our range. The next candle sweeps liquidity into a point of interest, like a key zone. We swap liquidity, forming an SMT for both ES and NAS 100, and then closing back inside. And then the third candle forms and targets the opposite draw on liquidity, which is the CRT high, right? But then in that case it didn't happen because market structure on the 1 hour is still bearish. So if I'd entered off this second candle, the phase 2 of the CRT, I would have made more profit. I would have hit my TP and I was gonna be out. But then again, I always say that regardless of that, this opportunity can come next time. I'll take it. Then dropping into the 5 minute, I always emphasize entering off a model 1. Like literally entering off a model 1 entry is one of the best entries you can take on a CRT. Then the second one can also be a fair value gap, but in this case I saw a Model 1, which can be a Model 1. Some people call it a Classic A, or it's a CISD, whichever you call it. This is it right here. Let me just type it in. Yes, as I was saying, we found our Model 1, and this at this time was 2:30 in the afternoon. Price gave us our Model 1, pushed up, hitting the 50% of the range, and then when New York opened bearish. And in that case, I'm on my chart and I'm looking for the setup, and then I see this candle touch my Model 1. I'm saying, okay, I'm waiting for this 5-minute candle to close, then I can look to continue the move, because I simply see that we're gonna look to push higher. Even though I'm trading against the market, I saw this was a really good setup, one I would take most 10 out of 10 time. It did close, it gave me a big push upward. I entered on the second candle, it gave me a big push. My TP was a CR high, I was close to hitting it, but then again, I did say we hit break even on this trade, which I was really hoping for it to hit TP, but I got edged out. So for me, it was a good trade. I didn't lose anything, but I didn't also hit TP, so it was a bit of good trade management on my side. Then price went up again, hitting the order block. So we are bullish. We are bearish, on the day for this session. So I wasn't really expecting a lot from this trade, rather than for it to hit the full TP, like for it to continue the move until it hits it, then it can reverse and continue the trend. Because on the 1 hour we were extremely bullish. Like from Asia session, we've been delivering lower. So because my initial output for this trade was that I was looking for a bearish CRT. I was looking to trade with the trend, but I didn't see that. I saw this opportunity instead, and I took it. It worked very well, to be honest, but I did not get the full pie. My piece of the pie, to be exact. As you can see here, even on ES, everything was on point, to be honest. ES was pushing up higher. It gave me an SMT, and then it price just reversed again, and then I got break even, and I was like, I'm just gonna sit this one out. And then that's simply it for the day, man. I think there's really not much. I can't make this sound fancy or not. It's just boring charts and stuff. I'll show you my P&L or my screenshot to show that I was trading on my funded account. I am trading with the Blue Guardian account. So yeah, I took this. Everything tomorrow I'll be doing a live trading session. I haven't done one in a while. If I do see a setup, of course, I'll be trading live. And then yeah, this was the trade for the day. It was a W market analysis, but got break even, which is also a W for me. Not recklessly looking to hold the trade. As you can see, I was trading, so I was extremely cautious when I was taking this trade. I knew that I was trading against the market, and I had to be safe. As soon as I saw market push up at a reasonable place, I went break even and let everything run. I was thinking of taking partials, so that's like, it wasn't enough for me to take partials. I needed to see better movement, but then I got break even. Yeah, I'm satisfied, so we're looking forward to tomorrow if anything presents itself. And that is that for today, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.